Underground fuel. Lesson number 13. You need various material to fulfill your daily needs. Where do we get these material from? Some of them are made by nature and some are man-made. Let us try to find this out with the following activity. Water, air, soil are resources obtained from the nature. These are called natural resources, but you also saw that newspaper, cloth, chalk, etc. are made by man. These are called man-made resources. Have you ever thought that natural resources can be extracted by human activities? Can air, water, soil, forest, and coal be extracted on the basis of the availability? Different resources in nature can be classified into two groups. Natural resources in extractable natural resources, extractable natural resources. In extractable natural resources, these resources are present in unlimited quantity in nature and they are not likely to be exhausted by the human activities. For example, sunlight, air. Extractable natural resources, the amount of these in nature is limited. They can be exhausted by continuous use. For example, forest, wildlife, minerals, coal, petroleum, natural gas, etc. Have you ever thought how are material like coal, petroleum, natural gas formed? Coal and petroleum are formed from the dead remaining remains of living organizations, so they are called fossil fuels. Have you seen coal? How does it look? What is the use of a coal? You have seen that coal is black colored solid fuel. Coal is used as a fuel in various industries. Do you know that coal is also used in thermal power plants to produce electricity? You know that coal is extracted from the earth, but have you ever thought how is coal formed inside the earth? The story of a coal formation of a coal is a slow process. About 300 million years ago, there were dense forest in the low-lying wetland areas. This forest got buried under the soil due to natural processes such as floods and earthquakes. With the time, more soil deposited over them and the temperature of the layer below and rose. Under high pressure and high temperature, dead plants slowly converted into coal. Coal mainly contains carbon. The slow process of conversion of dead trees and plants into coal is known as carbonification. Coal is made from the remains of plants, so it is also called fossil fuel. You must have seen coal burning in the presence of air. What is produced when coal is burned? Take some pieces of coal, burn the coal with the help of wood. After some time, extinguish it with water. Dry it and burn it again. You saw that coal produces a smoke on burning present in the coal, burn in the air and produce a coil. If the extinguished coil is burnt again, then less. A smoke is produced because now only carbon is left in the coil. In this way, many useful products such as coke, coal tar, and coal gas are obtained by processing coal. Coke, this is a hard, porous, brown-black substance. It has 98% carbon. It is almost pure from form of carbon. It shines like coal. Coke produces less smoke than coal on burning. Coal gases impurities plus moisture. It is used in manufacturing of steel and extraction of metals. Coal tar, it is a black colored thick liquid with an unpleasant smell. It is a mixture of almost 200 substances. Products obtained from coal tar are used as a starting material for manufacturing different substances which are used in daily life and in industries like synthetic dyes, drugs, explosives, perfumes, plastics, paints, photographic material, roofing material, etc. Naphthalene balls, which are used to repel insects and moths, are also obtained from coal tar. Coal gas is obtained during the processing of coal to produce coke. It is used as a fuel in various industries situated near the coal processing plants. Coal gas was used for the first time in London for street lighting in 1810 and in New York around 1820. In present days, it is used as a source of heat rather than light. Petroleum, do you know which substance is used as a fuel in motorcycle, scooters and cars? You have seen that petrol or diesel is used as a fuel in vehicles. Now it is a matter of thinking that what is the source of petrol or diesel. How is it formed? You will be surprised to know that petroleum is the only source of petrol, diesel, lubricant, oils, etc. The world petroleum. The word petroleum is derived from Latin words petro and oleum. Petro means stone and oleum means oil. Petroleum is a dark oily liquid which is found underground and which is extracted by drilling. Now the question is how is petroleum formed under the ground? Petroleum is formed from the remains of organizations living in the sea. When these organizations died, their bodies settled at the bottom of the sea and get buried under the layers of sand and clay. Over millions of years, absence of air, high temperature and high pressure converted the dead organizations into petroleum and petroleum gas. Find out why are deposits of petroleum found under the sea. In the figure 18.4, you can see that there is a gas layer above the deposits of oil and below it is a layer of water. You know that oil is lighter than water. It does not mix with it and floats and above water. Petroleum is extracted by drilling wells into an underground reservoir. The oil extracted from this well is dark in color and has an unpleasant smell. It is a mixture of various constituents such as petroleum gas, petrol, diesel, lubricating, oil, paraffin, wax, etc. The process of separating various constituents of petroleum is known as petroleum refining. This refining is carried out in petroleum refinery. In this method, petroleum is heated and the vapor released at different temperatures are condensed and its ingredients are obtained. Natural gas. Natural gas is an important fossil fuel which is found above the petroleum at the time of extraction from oil wells. Natural gas can be easily transported through pipelines. Natural gas is a mixture of hydrocarbons which mainly contains methane. Natural gas can be compressed at high pressure and can be stored as compressed natural gas CNG. If pressure is increased further, then natural gas liquefies. This liquid is called liquefied petroleum gas LPG. It is a clean fuel and creates least pollution. CNG is also used as a fuel for running vehicles. Other than running vehicles, CNG is also used for generating power. CNG can be used directly for burning in homes and factories. CNG is supplied through pipes. Such a network of pipelines is available in Vadodara, Gujarat, some parts of Delhi and other places such as Mumbai. Natural gas is used as a starting material for the industrial manufacture of a number of chemicals and fertilizers. India has a vast reservoirs of natural gas. In our country, natural gas is found in Tripura, Rajasthan, Maharashtra and in the Krishna Godavari Delta. Can coal, petroleum and natural gas be made in the laboratory from dead organizations? Conservation of natural resources. You have seen that it takes millions of years in the formation of fossil fuels. In modern lifestyle, we are mostly dependent on fossil fuels for energy. The known reserves of these will last almost a few hundred years. Now these two in the world, coal will last for 180 years and petroleum will last for 53 years. There is also a harmful effect of fossil fuels. Burning of these fuels causes air pollution. This causes global warming and greenhouse effect. Therefore, it is necessary that we use these fuels wisely so that there is less pollution and these would be available for a longer time. In India, Petroleum Conservation Research Association (PCRA) has advised people to save petrol, diesel by following certain tips. These tips are: as far as possible, drive at a constant and moderate speed. Switch off the engine at traffic lights or all such places where you have to wait. Ensure regular maintenance of your vehicle. If possible, use e-rickshaw or battery-operated vehicles to keep proper air pressure.